Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. Please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So, Cancer viewers, I'm going to check your current current energies, okay, and your partner's current energies. Then we'll proceed with your reading. So we have six of Pentacles. I feel that Cancer, some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Cancer, I feel that you are being very choosy nowadays, okay? You are bringing balance into your life, okay? Maybe you have given your attention, love, okay? Your care to the people who never deserved that, okay? Now you are being very choosy in life, okay? You are investing your emotions, investing your time on the people which are really matters to you, okay? Because in past maybe you have given your affection, your emotion, your love to somebody who was not deserving, okay? So now I feel that you are being somebody, it's you, Cancer, that you are being someone who is being very choosy. You are choosing your friends, you are choosing your lover, you are choosing your partner, you are choosing your loved ones, okay? That I need to give this thing to this person, okay? Now you are into balancing thing, okay? You feel that you feel that this this person deserves this much of my attention and this person deserves this much of my attention. So you are giving your equal attention, or I would say giving your attention and affection to the person who genuinely deserves that, okay? So Cancer, you are being choosy right now, okay? Four of Pentacle. Cancer, this is your partner's current energy towards you. Cancer, I feel that your person has fear to lose you, okay? Your person does not want to lose you, okay? This person is young, okay? This person is looking as a king, not king, as a prince, okay? He has not yet established his kingdom, okay? Yeah, so something is there which they do not want to leave, okay? It could be you, Cancer, it could be their career, it could be their finances, it could be their goals. It There is something which they are feeling afraid to lose, okay? This is He is a prince, okay? He is not a king. So he has to establish his kingdom, okay? His own kingdom, okay? It means that this person needs to stand somewhere in life, okay? And in that process they are feeling afraid to lose something, okay? So Cancer, I feel that it's you. I mean, your person is being very fearful to lose you. I mean, that thought haunts them a lot, okay? So they cannot think them without you. But yes, I feel that this person needs to grow a lot in life, okay? Be it mentally, be it emotionally, be it financially, okay? This person needs a lot of success in life right now. This person needs to build his own kingdom first, only then he can take any step. Because once he'll be king, he'll rule his kingdom as per his own wish, okay? And yes, this person has no support with them, okay? There's zero support from his family and friend right now, okay? So they are completely all alone. They have to make their own kingdom on their own, okay? They have to achieve a specific goal in their life on their own, okay? But on that process they are very fearful to leave something. They are fearful to, they do not want to leave anything, okay? There is something is there is something which they are afraid to lose. Okay, so as I said, it could be you, Cancer, it could be anything. Okay, now let's see how you see them, Cancer. Okay, and how do they see you? Queen of Wands. Cancer, you feel about this person that they are queen of wands. Okay, they must be projecting as a queen of wands. Maybe they, even though they are, if they are male or female, it doesn't matter, but their traits are like a queen. Okay, queen is somebody who is very humble. Okay, she is queen of wands, that means she is queen of action. Okay, so this person, you see, Cancer, that this person wants to take some action towards you. Okay, they have this sunflower in their other hand, so it means that there are emotions. Okay, they want to nurture this relationship. Okay, that's how you see them, Cancer. Plus something is there which is, holding them back. This black cat, it could be their responsibilities, it could be their commitments with their family, friends, okay, with their loved ones. So they want to take action towards you. Okay, and they have emotions for you as well. They want to make this relationship. Okay, they want to work on this relationship, they want to build this relationship with you. Okay, they have emotions also for you. Okay, they are nurturing towards this relationship. Maybe they are the person with whom you feel that, oh my god, where he was or where she was earlier. Okay, and Cancer, I feel that you get a, very homely kind of feeling with this person. Okay, because this person is queen of wands. Okay, so queens also act like as a mother. Okay, so you feel as a homely feeling with this person's with this person, Cancer. But they have their own commitments, they have their own you know responsibilities which they have to fulfill first. Only then they'll be able to make any action towards you. Okay, this is the reason they love you. I mean, they love you, they have emotions for you, they want to take action towards you, but something is there which is holding them back. Okay, and they are not seeing in they are not seeing straight. That means they are not, they want to take action but they cannot see towards you, because as I said, they have responsibilities. Okay, okay, now let's see how your person feels about you, Cancer. Temperance card. Okay, Cancer, your person feels you and see you as somebody like an angel. Okay, they feel that are you are their lucky charm, or I would say, um or I would say, you are you are simply like an angel for them. Okay, you are bringing balance into their life. They are being so peaceful right now. Okay, they feel happy with you, they feel peaceful with you, they feel they feel complete balance, mental balance and emotional balance with you. Okay, they feel that you are somebody who can bring peace in their life, you are somebody who can bring a new day in their life. Okay, the sun is rising from this angel's back, behind this angel's back. Okay, so they feel that it's a new day with you every day. Okay, so they feel that you bring happiness into their life, they feel that you bring joy into their life, they feel that you are bringing balance into their life, even though you are not doing anything maybe, but still your presence makes them feel happy. Okay, they feel a new day. Okay, new day, new opportunity with you. Every day they feel new day with you, every day they feel new opportunity with you. Okay, and they are feeling lot more happier day by day. Okay, they are being happy. Okay, now let's see how you see this relationship, Cancer. How you see this relationship. How you see this relationship, Cancer. How you see this relationship. And how do they see this relationship? Okay. With this Ace of Pentacles, Cancer, you feel that something has started in your life in terms of, I mean, Aces cards are always a starting card, so you feel that a new chapter of your life has begun. Okay, maybe as I'm seeing, there is a way. Okay, so I feel that you maybe, or perhaps you want to move out or move away with your person. Okay, maybe you want to go out with your person somewhere. Okay, maybe on a date or something like that. So you have felt a new chapter has begun in your life, Cancer. Okay, something new has started in your life in terms of emotion, in terms of relationship, in terms of finances, in terms of career, in terms of goals, in terms of growth. It could be anything, and that thing is a divine thing. Universe is offering you this opportunity, universe is offering you this offer. Okay, so that's how you feel, Cancer, about this relationship. And your person feels 10 of Pentacles. Your person feels a complete happy family with you. Okay, your person feels that they should be with you. Okay, and I feel that most of you are, married to your current partner. Okay, Cancer. So if you are not, then your person feels this relationship as a complete relationship for them. Okay, they want to see you in their future. I mean, they want to see, themselves with you in future. Okay, they want to have kids with you. They want to make a home with you. Okay, they want to grow old with you. So they feel a complete happiness with you. Okay, they feel a lot of abundance with you in future. Okay, and in terms of this relationship as well, they feel complete home with you. Okay. Okay, now let's see what is the future potential of this relationship. What is going to be the future potential? What is going to be the future potential? Queen of Swords. Okay. Ace of Wands. Okay. So we have Queen of Swords and Ace of Wands. Cancer, I feel with this Queen of Swords, in future, maybe you guys need to work really hard towards this relationship. If you really want to start something new in this relationship with this Ace of Wands. Okay, ace, as I said, that aces are always a starting card. Okay, a beginning card. So Cancer, I feel that you need to be very focused in future, you and your partner. If you really want to be with your person, if both of you wants to be together in future, you need to be very stern. Okay, you need to behave like a queen. Okay, and this sword is telling me that you should not afraid to cut people out of your life, whoever is coming between you and your person in future. If you really wish to start something new in this relationship, only then. Okay, and I feel if you do so, then definitely a new beginning is about to happen for you in this relationship, Cancer. Okay. Okay, so Cancer, I feel that most of you are dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with Six of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with Queen of Wands, Ace of Wands. Okay, some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Queen of Swords. Okay, and some of you could be dealing with Sagittarius as well with this Temperance card. Okay. So Cancer, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.